Hello there, gin lovers, and welcome back to No Nonsense Gin Reviews with me, Bobby Freeman. Now then, I'm very excited today because this is one of my new gins that I've tried recently, and it is lovely. This, my friends, look at this bottle for starters. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Look at it. I can tell you why, because, well, let's talk about what it is first. This is Malfy. Sorry, I've been drinking some tonic just before we started the video. This is Malfy con Limone, or Limone, I'm not sure. This is from Italy. Now, we have reviewed a few gins from Italy before, and they've always been very, very nice. Was it Citadel from Italy? I'm not sure. I can't remember. But anyway, this stuff I tried. I've mentioned before, my mum bought me and my girlfriend a gin calendar for Christmas, a advent calendar. So, and this, we had about a cluster of about, I think it was about 6, which were our real favourites, which we kept. You got like little drams of a gin like this, and this was one we really, really loved. The other one we found in it was Percy, of course, and that was a really good find. One of my favourite gins of the year. But this little fellow, it was so as the name suggests, con limone. It is a lemon themed gin, and citrus is always. I always go on about the citrus, but this is particularly focusing on the lemon. In the same way the Tanqueray Sevilla focuses on the orange, this is doing the same thing but for lemons. We also reviewed the Tanqueray Rampur, which was focusing on the limes, which I felt didn't really work quite so much. But let me tell you a little bit about this family distillery. So, our distillery, it's a lovely website, by the way. You must go and have a look. It's like, it shows like a TV commercial, a little video when you first open it up, and it looks so awesome and cinematic, and it's all filmed on this sort of coastal scene in Italy, and it's got like sort of everyone's beautiful, and it's all summery, and it's just great. It really sort of gives you an idea of what the gin is like. It's very, very good. But anyway, our distillery is in, well, first of all, it's full of words that I've no idea how to pronounce on here, so forgive me if I'm saying this wrong. So our distillery is in Moncelleri, let's say, just outside the city of Torino, an area famed for its production of fine wines and spirits. Excellent, so it's in good company there then. It was established in 1906. Torino Distillati is run by the oh my god, they're doing this on purpose, I think. Run by the Vergnano, I don't know, what does that say? Vergnano, maybe it's a silent G. Vernano, we'll call them the Vernano family. Carlo, his wife, Piera, and their children Rita and Volta. That's not too bad. Beppe, Ronco, and Dennis Mooney are our master distillers. Okay, I've got their names, no problem. Oh, that was an exercise in tongue dexterity. Where's it gone? Where's the information? Here we go. Con the Limon. Come on, here it is. Bit about the gin itself. So, it says, juniper, Amalfi Coast lemons, and 5 botanicals. Only 5 botanicals. Oh, it's quite a simplistic gin then. I like that. Malfy Gin Con Limone marries the finest Italian coastal lemons with our family's unique gin recipe to create a one-of-a-kind spirit. I'll go with that wholeheartedly. Distilled with classic Italian juniper. Oh, here's another one. Sfusato. I have no idea what that is, but I'm sure it's very, very nice. Oh, Sfusato lemon peels. Right, it's a type of lemon. Okay, lemon peels. Okay. From the Amalfi Coast. It has delightful citrus and juniper on the nose. On the nose? Oh, I see. It smells like citrus and juniper. With a complex flavour of anise or anise, citrus and coriander. Of course, all gins have to have that base coriander in there. Perfect with a premium tonic and slice of lemon. No surprises there. Premium tonic, of course, they mean the old fever tree. So, there's going to be no... these sort of... Oh, hang on. We've got a cork in this one, so you know what that means. It's the Cork Test, ladies and gentlemen. Does it have a cork squeak if I twist it? No. I don't know if I'm imagining that. I seem to say that every time, but I seem to remember some of them squeaked. Anyway, let's do the pull. Hang on. Oh, I spoke over it. I can't believe it. I was going to say it was a tough one. Let's try it again. Hang on. Oh, it's a very pleasing pop. That's like your bog standard, manly, just boop, kind of in the mid-range of pop, I'd say. Not the bass one, not the really light one, but bang in the middle. So that's a good start. Nice work. Oh, it's a blue cork as well. Very pleasing. I'm easily pleased, as you can probably tell. So, with these gins that are very specific in their flavour, there's usually no surprises with the aroma. So I'm guessing we're going to get... Oh, yeah, we're going to get a lot of lemon. That is just literally zesty lemon. Can you imagine if you've just like got one of those graters and got the zest off the edge of a lemon, if you were making like a lemon drizzle cake or something, and that sort of aroma you get from that? That's what you're getting in the Malfy. Oh, yes. Smells quite strong as well. What percentage is it? 41. No, it's about normal. It's about normal, but smells lovely. Anyway, not too much time is going to be spent sniffing this, but much more time is going to be spent drinking it. Right, okay. Fever Tree in there. See if we release any more flavours. I doubt we're going to be honest, because it's so specific. I think the flavours have given us, the aromas have given us all they're going to give by sniffing. But you never know, you never know. Oh, there's almost like a sort of a, no, it does definitely give something away. So this is so important to add the tonic because it really does release some of those flavours that you don't get in the aroma and indeed in the taste. There's almost like a pine note to it there, kind of a sort of a green freshness. I'm not sure if that's correct or not. Sometimes you can imagine these things, but it really kind of lends itself to that lemoniness. Extremely fresh gin. You can imagine, you can tell it's definitely been inspired by some sort of picturesque, hot, sun-drenched country by the seaside. 'Cause it really does. I'm filming this in southeast London, but I feel like I'm in, I don't know, Sicily or somewhere like that. But anyway, let's have a bit of a taste, shall we? See how we go. Oh yes, this literally. All I can say is lemon. Lemon, 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 and more lemon. This is all about the lemon. It's very... Usually, if you have a flavour that stands out among the rest, it can be a little bit dominant and a bit too much and take over, I think, and overshadow the rest of the ingredients. But this, you know, it's extremely lemony, but it seems to work. Which is really strange because the Tanqueray... what's it called? Rangpur was oh my god, I think I'm dying here. Was extremely limey, but it didn't seem to work. It was too much. I think they needed to pull that lime back a little bit. Maybe they've tried that, or maybe they got it on the first go. But whatever they did, this stuff is good. Oh man! Oh, I tell you what. On a summer's day, there will be nothing nicer than get this in the glass, sit out in the garden or in your patio or veranda or whatever it is, just as sitting out in the street, who cares, slumped over in a doorway, wherever you drink this stuff, it'll be gorgeous. Get some ice in there. Would you need some lemon as garnish? I don't think you really need to. I mean, you got these kind of like, these are meant to look like sort of lemon peels, of course, on here, and it does show it with the lemons with the bits hollowed out, so it looks exactly like that. And it looks very pretty, and if you like that, if you want to impress people, fine. But you're not really going to lose out by having no garnish at all in this, because this is just pure lemony heaven. I love it. Oh man, I could just drink this all day. This is good. Malfy, we are right. They also do lots of other flavours, Malfy. I think there's about sort of at least 3 or 4 other flavours, so I'm very much looking forward to trying those. But in the meantime, I say to you, Malfy, keep up the good work. Good lord, that's quite heavy. Or maybe I'm getting slightly drunker. I've made 5 of these videos today and I'm really starting to feel it. So yes, Malfy, we like that very, very much. Get yourself a bottle of that. It costs about, did I say the price? I can't remember. It's around the £25 to £30 mark. I think I actually paid £30 because I couldn't. You can find it online for about £25, but in the shops I just couldn't find it any cheaper. So I did pay £30, which is my top bracket. But I don't mind paying top dollar, provided it is top gin. And that is top gin, ladies and gentlemen. So, this has been Malfy con Limone, whatever you want to call it. I've been Bobby Freeman. This is No Nonsense Gin Reviews, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.